Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how you combine two GarageBand projects. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how we can combine two GarageBand projects. Basically guys, there is a way to do this, and what we have to do first guys is to save our first project as an MP3. So I'm going to open up my tracks right here. So as you can see, this is now my mixing mode. I can open them the edit mode right here in the upper left corner. That's going to enable me to preview my tracks. So let's say these are the songs that are finished and that I want to add to my project and save it. So basically what I'm going to do is click the arrow pointing downwards right here in the upper left corner and click on my songs. In the my songs section, we can now go ahead and save our music. So what we're going to save it as is we're going to go ahead and long hold on our project we want to export and click the share button that's going to appear. Click on share, and now guys, you can see we have the song option right here. You want to save it as a song. After saving your song on your iPhone, as you can see, we can select a high quality, and after that just go ahead and save it to your mobile phone. And after that, now we can add it to our second project. So go ahead and open up your second project in GarageBand, and here in the upper right corner we'll have this button that's going to enable us to browse items from the Files app. That's going to enable us to click that and now add any song we want. So we are going to select the project that we have previously saved. This is going to be our project, and now you can hold on it and drag it to your tracks right here and add it to your music. And this is how you can go ahead and combine two GarageBand projects. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.